The R46 is a 3/4 inch stacked valve with a 10 gallon per minute high flow rate. The upper and lower controls work just like the R23 Rough. There are 2 dedicated functions and 1 shared function for each control. This is not a high efficiency valve, so not suitable for California. This is the stud bay. This model is in wood, but you may see an installation of metal 2x4s in the field. The first feature I want to speak about is a plaster guard that protects the valve after installation and during the mounting of the solid surface or tile. A plumber will estimate the finished wall and then place the stringer accordingly. The installation depth is a generous 2.5 inches minimum and 3 5/8 inch maximum. The guard has clear indications to show where the minimum maximum measurements are. The R46 has 4 outlets. There are 4 dedicated functions and 2 shared functions. The service stops are in the open position when you remove it from the box. To operate the stops, rotate the screw all the way in until it stops, and then you are in the closed position. You will also notice that there is a service plug for both the upper and lower cartridge that allows for flushing prior to the installation of the actual pressure balance cartridge. The cartridge will be supplied with a trim. This service-saving step prevents the cartridge from being damaged prior to flushing. If the valve is to be installed with copper, remove the service plug to prevent any damage to the plug.